This is the North Elevator at the MARTA station, Lenox, in Atlanta, Georgia. Here we go. Holy shit. This thing is extremely low in oil. Justin, you're gonna love this. It's very slow going down and has a Chewbacca motor. This is like Chewie Jr. Gotta go up again. I think this is a Dover elevator. This thing is low on oil very badly, and it takes forever to level. All right, here we go. Listen to this motor. Go. Here we go. Wow. All right. Let's get a cab view. This train system solid elevator. Entrance on the outside. Is your indicator. Here's your PTO fixtures. It's extremely low in oil. Like that Civic Center station that broke on camera. It goes much faster going down because it's gravity and it's low in oil. Send you up. It's like the machine was over there. Listen. That was incredible. All right, that's it.